You start putting the blame on my husband at the same occasion. Uncalled for. Even at that point, I told him, okay, if there's a doubt, please investigate. I have no issues. Investigate me, investigate my husband, no problem. Nothing happened. Neither we are investigated, neither they are investigated. Come on, you need justice. Whoever has done, even if I have done it, you should punish me. Nothing is done. Repeated meetings over the couple of months that I had with family members trying to persuade Y.V. Subba Reddy, Y.S.N.L. Reddy, Sajjal Ramakrishna Reddy. The number of times you tried to negotiate, convince them. Nothing happens. Finally, I had to file a petition for a transfer of the case to CBI. And surprisingly, the earlier petition is now withdrawn. Mundu file chesin CBI petition. The Chief Minister withdraws the petition. Induku. All of this have happened even before CBI podaniki. Then CBI takes over. Subsequently, CBI takes over the case. CBI investigation modulu pedutundi. CBI starts the investigation and takes them over a year. Oka samvatsaram pattindi. Tarvata arrest cheyadaniki, charge sheet file chesadaniki. Antavaraku ఓ మోతాదులో జరుగుతూ ఉన్నింది. It was going on somewhat. It was slow, but it was going on. The moment A5 was arrested, A5 ని అరెస్ట్ చేసినారు. A5 అంటే డి శివశంకర్ రెడ్డి. మొత్తం చేంజ్ అయింది. Scenario changed after D. Shivshankar Reddy was arrested. Now, if you think why, there was now fear that started. Once Shankar has been arrested, who is next in the line? Next in the line would be Bhaskar Reddy, Avinash Reddy. So with that started the cases on CBI officers. CBI officers మీద కేసులు పెట్టడం మొదలు పెట్టారు from the witnesses చేత కేసులు పెట్టించడం మొదలు పెట్టారు. This is the amount of influence that they have in the state of AP, in the place of Kadapa. So cases were being filed on the CBI and then CBI withdraws its team from Kadapa. Investigation stops. Jan-Feb 2022, CBI teams leaves Kadapa. Tarvata investigation out chestaru. CBI has to be there on the ground to do the investigation. If they are not there, who will do the investigation? Because there are cases on them. Subsequently, the investigation, what it appears to me at least, is that it restarted after the Supreme Court gave the verdict saying that close this investigation as soon as possible. And in the same judgment, transfer the trial from AP to Telangana. So Supreme Court recognized that yes, there is a problem there and transfer the trial out of the state. Investigation restarts now with a base in Hyderabad. Obviously it stopped and they have to start with my cousin Avinash, Y.S. Avinash Reddy. Now think about it. The MLA of the place or the MP of the place have a responsibility to ensure that there is no crime, to ensure that investigations are done quickly. So if a leader in your place has been killed, it's duty bound upon the leaders to follow up on the investigation. Not once did any of these people try to follow up and find out what has happened. Investigation is happening, not happening. Avinash appati varaku ఒకసారి కూడా as a member of parliament మీ predecessor అయితే ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఆ పొజిషన్ లో ఆయన హత్య చేయబడితే ఏమవుతుంది ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ అన్న ఆతృతతో కొంచెం ఎంక్వైరీ చేసి త్వరగా చేయాలి ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ అని నాకు తెలిసిన నా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ షేర్ చేసే బదులు సిబిఐ వాళ్ళు పిలిస్తే నాకు వేరే పనులు ఉన్నాయి, ఇప్పుడు నాకు తీరిక లేదు, నాకు టైం ఇవ్వాలి, ఒక 5 రోజులు నోటీస్ ఇవ్వాలి బిఫోర్ ఐ కెన్ కమ్. Why would you do that? You should be anxious to find the culprit. Instead of that, you're dilly-dallying and wasting time. Eventually, he gets in front of the officers and the officers ask him to come back again and again. తర్వాత మనకు అందరికీ తెలుసు కర్నూలులో ఏమైందో. Has anybody seen anywhere in the country where CBI goes and waits for 2 days, ఒక ఊర్లో wait for the suspect to come to them? If they've gone to question, if they've gone to arrest, you arrest. Neither. They ask local police for assistance. Local police? Where is their assistance? I don't know. Then after 2 days, they return back empty-handed. Is that even heard of anywhere? You know where the person is. It's different when the person is absconding. Here the person is You know where this person is, but you're not even able to go near the person. మొత్తం తమాషాడ కర్నూలులో the entire hospital where his mother was staying, nobody, no other patients could go in easily. No other family members. That street was a street full of hospitals. Evarki access లేదు hospitals ki. After this drama for 2 days, then he's supposed to come for questioning. He still doesn't come for questioning, but he gets an anticipatory bail.